girls. How are you?
We're good.
Good. Now tell me who you are.
We are the
Mistress.
Where are you from?
We're from the Philippines.
Oh, wow. So what's the dream, girls?
We would like to be
Like Destiny's Child.
Yeah. Spice Girls. Girl power.
Okay, great. Okay, well, look, good luck. Hope it goes well.
Thank you.
Come on, girls, you found the secret code I use to wash away my lonely blues. No, I can't deny or lie, 'cause you're there, only wanna make me fly. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. You can give it to me when I need to come along.
Sex bomb? Just go with it, man, just go with it.
You're my sex bomb. Baby, you can turn me out. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. Baby, you can turn me on. Tell me now. Baby, you can turn me on. Turn me on, turn me on. Baby, you can turn me on.
Were you hiding a little secret from us at the beginning?
Guess what, Simon?
Surprise!
Your voices were fantastic. You look amazing. You're just so hot, it's so unfair.
Okay, let's vote. David.
He's gonna say yes!
It's a yes from me, ladies.
It's a yes for me. Thank you.
I think it was a great audition. You got 4 yeses.
Wow! Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Congratulations.
What's your name?
Sam Siri. My name is Sam Siri. I put music out as Nicotine Dolls.
Where are you from?
I live in New Jersey.
Tell me why you come on the show, Sam, please.
I came here because I've been making music my entire life, and like a month ago was the first month that I ever actually paid my bills or anything with making music, and that's really cool. And thank you.
Good. Hard. And did you have a normal job before you were making music?
Before this job, I cleaned houses and I painted houses.
Yep.
And I wasn't very good at the second one. I'm fantastic at cleaning houses. But the second one, if you're watching, I'm sorry that I did that to your house.
What's the big dream?
The dream is to be a musician, and that's my job. And that's what I do every day, and it self-sustains. Like, I'm gonna be creative, and that's gonna be my job, you know?
Okay. The good news is you're here.
I'm happy to be here. Thank you, guys.
And this is hopefully going to be your moment.
Thank you. Thank you.
I love the fact he's in a band, but it's only him. He's the star.
To me, she wants to know what's left inside that's tearing me up into the pieces on the floor. You see, I don't have an answer for you now. Stick around, I'll find a reason. Tell me what makes you stop. Tell me what makes you stop.
Oh, amazing!
Tell me what makes you sad. Oh, tell me what makes you sad. I wouldn't break your heart. If I was you, I'd fall apart next to this beating, bruising arm on a wall in a room no one wants to walk in. You leave me You said, tell me what makes you sad. Tell me what makes you sad.
Wow. Heidi.
I mean, if Rod Stewart and John Mayer had a baby,
Those are my parents.
it's like, what? I mean, special.
Thank you very much.
Very, very special boys.
Thank you.
It was so different and sexy, and you know what? I think this is your moment, Sam.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You know what's great, Sam, is that it was really authentic. You were very honest with us as well. We got to know you really quickly, and it was like you swallowed a great singer. Because, you know, the way you talk, it's like there's somebody else in you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay, I know how this is going to go, but we've got to do it. Heidi.
I mean, you're really special. Yes, 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 yes,
Thank
yes,
you.
yes, yes.
Sophia.
Yes, 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 yes.
You got 3 yeses, you're through to the next round.
What was that? That was adorable.
That's a big moment. What's your name, please?
Greg Pritchard.
Okay, why are you here?
I'm here to make a dream come true.
Which is?
To be a worldwide performer.
Okay. And what do you do when you're not singing, Greg?
When I'm not singing, I work in a hotel as a waiter.
Okay. Do you hate it?
Pretty much, yeah.
Well, good luck, Greg.
Thanks very much.
You're joking. Is that on the tip or is that him? Is that him? You can't get higher than this, surely. Oh, you can. Artemis on its feet. Didn't expect that in a million years.
Shouldn't have just happened, should it?
Pardon?
That shouldn't have happened.
What is the term for your voice? What?
It's kind of termed countertenor, but I'm a male soprano.
Okay.
Which is kind of from the Baroque period in operas and all that kind of thing. Don't laugh.
Piers?
I mean, it was one of the most extraordinary things I've ever heard that. I mean, of all the things I expected to come out of your mouth, that was the last thing on my list.
Yes.
But I have to say, I thought you did it brilliantly. It was a great act.
Thank you.
What do you think, Simon?
Well, it's like a dog meowing. You know, it just shouldn't do that. You know what I mean? Would I like a dog to meow? I guess I would, yeah.
Why not? Why not?
Yeah. You've puzzled me, Greg, I'm telling you. Okay, Piers, yes or no?
I am going to say yes.
Thank you.
Amanda?
I'm going to say yes.
Greg, I'm going to say I haven't got a bloody clue. But you're through.
Thanks very much.
Well done, Greg.
Yes, that is one of the most surreal things I have ever seen in my life.
He's a little star, that guy.
The audience loved it.
It was fantastic. Brilliant.
2 years ago, Paul Potts walked onto stage, sang Nessun Dorma and shocked us all.
Yeah.
You've walked on stage today, sang Nessun Dorma and shocked us all for very different reasons. But it's been brilliant.
Thanks very much. Nice to meet you both.
Well done.
Hi, what's your name, darling?
My name is Susan Boyle.
Okay, Susan, where are you from?
I am from Blackburn near Bathgate, West Lothian.
It's a big town.
It's a sort of collection of... It's a collection of villages. Had to think there.
And how old are you, Susan?
I am 47. And that's just one side of me.
Okay, what's the dream?
I'm trying to be a professional singer.
And why hasn't it worked out so far, Susan?
I've never been given the chance before, but here's hoping it'll change.
Okay, and who would you like to be as successful as?
Elaine Page.
Elaine
somebody
Page.
like that.
What are you going to sing tonight?
I'm going to sing I Dreamed a Dream from Les Miserables.
Okay.
Big song.
Yeah? Yes.
I dreamed a dream in time gone by.
You didn't expect that, did you? Did you? No.
I dreamed that love would never die. I dreamed that God would be forgiving. I was young and unafraid. When dreams are made and used and wasted. Tigers come with their voice as soft as thunder, as they tear your hopes apart, as they turn your dreams to shame.
Thank you very much, Susan Piers.
Without a doubt, that was the biggest surprise I have had in 3 years on this show. When you stood there with that cheeky grin and said, I want to be like Elaine Page, everyone was laughing at you. No one is laughing now. That was stunning. An incredible performance. Amazing. I'm reeling from shock about you two, but
I am so thrilled because I know that everybody was against you. I honestly think that we were all being very cynical, and I think that's the biggest wake-up call ever. And I just want to say that it was a complete privilege listening to that. It was brilliant.
Susan, I knew the minute you walked out on that stage that we were going to hear something extraordinary, and I was right.
Quite a lot of tosh.
Susan, you are a little tiger, aren't you?
Oh, I don't know about that.
You are.
I don't know about that.
Okay, moment of truth. Here's yes or no.
The biggest yes I have ever given anybody.
Amanda?
Yes, definitely. Brilliant. Amanda, you too!
Susan Boyle, you can go back to the village with your head held high. It's 3 yeses.
Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Dev.
Hiya, Dev.
Where are you from, Dev?
The pits of hell.
And so why have you come on to Britain's Got Talent?
I want to make an announcement and quit my job, really. I want to be a little bit more positive and hopeful for a better future. So I've come up here to spread some love and sing a song.
Great.
Well, look, normally, Dev, I would ask someone, you know, how many kids you have. How many demons do you have?
Oh, goodness me. Countless.
Okay, and who would you phone one of the demons first if you got through?
Ooh. Maybe a group chat.
Got it.
Well, we wish you all the best.
Dev? For Devon? I only just got that.
Say you only just got that.
I want to break free.
Well, I didn't expect that.
I want to break free. I want to break free from your lies. You're so self-satisfied. I need you. I want to break free. And God knows I want to break free. I've fallen in love. I've fallen in love for the first time. This time I know it's real. I've fallen.
You're certainly the best singing devil we've had on today. And you're very horny as well. Are you going back to hell now?
Not without one of you lot.
I had no idea the devil was so talented.
Oh, stop it.
What worried me about it was you kept saying that God knows you want to break free.
Well, he'd know, wouldn't he?
You've got a very good voice.
Thank you.
I particularly loved some of your vocals. They were really cool.
I don't know whether this is flattering or not, but, you know, you as the devil have every show in the world to choose to audition on, and you chose Britain's Got Talent, so I somehow feel that's a compliment.
I'm in good company.
This is going to be the performance I'm going to remember most. OK, we're going to vote. David.
Dev, let me give you your first yes.
I'm saying yes.
It is a yes from me, Dev.
The devil, you've got 4 yeses.
Thank you so much.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks. How are you?
Good, nice to meet you. What's the act called?
Charlotte and Jonathan.
Charlotte and Jonathan. OK. How old are you both?
I'm 16. And
I'm 17.
OK. And you thought the combination would work. Whose idea was it?
It was our singing teachers, actually. She thought it'd be good to try us out together. And we both sounded quite good when we sang what we did.
OK, you're not saying much, Jonathan. Are you shy?
Sometimes. I've always had sort of problems with my size since I can remember. And when I was in sort of primary school, it was back then really that I had sort of the mick taken out of me, and it kind of damaged my confidence quite a bit. When people would say something to me, it'd just take a little piece out of me in a sense.
I'm quite protective of Jonathan. Like, if I was there and someone stood there and said something to him, I couldn't sit there with my mouth shut. Before you make a judgment on someone, I think you really need to get to know them. It's not, as cliche as it's not judging a book by its cover. You've got to read what's inside.
Charlotte's been a really big help for me in terms of confidence and making me a better performer, and I really don't think I'd be going up on stage today if I didn't have Charlotte by my side.
And do you think you could win?
Yeah, together.
All right, good luck.
Good luck. Thank you.
Thank you.
Here we go.
Just
Alicia?
It's not very often that that happens, that you can move an audience like that. You sing beautifully together. It was world class.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
A pop voice and an opera voice together. It was incredible.
Okay, this is what I think. Charlotte, I think you're good, but Jonathan, you are unbelievable. I mean, seriously? Wow. You have an outstandingly good voice.
Thank you very much.
How old are you?
17.
I mean, that's unbelievable. Jonathan, you are a future star.
Thank you.
I like the fact that this works as a duo, but I worry, Charlotte, whether you're going to hold him back.
Well, we've come on here as a duo, and we're going to stay here as a duo.
Okay, David, we better vote, yes or no?
Oh, such an easy decision. Yes.
Thank you.
Definitely a yes from me. Charlotte, I think your voice complements Jonathan's really well, so don't be disheartened. It's a yes from me.
You know, my head here would say to you, Jonathan, dump her. And then my heart would say there was something kind of magical at moments together as well. So I'm going to say yes to the two of you. You got 4 yes.